the debt issue is on one side, but these are dollars that are used for revitalization, reinvestment, transportation, blight remediation, public safety, all of the key issues that every leader in the city, Mayor Bing, the governor, the federals, myself have said are crucial. Those monies are going to go directly to those efforts. So these monies are really to help the citizens more than deal with the debt issues. So I'd like to sort of look at them separately, and we're going to use them exactly for those purposes.
So in essence, what you're saying here is that this today has nothing to do with the bankruptcy. It has everything to do with the city's future.
It has to do with the bankruptcy to the extent one of the things we've talked about is reinvestment revitalization, but I think your point is very apt. This is really, put the bankruptcy aside, we're talking about reinvestment and revitalization for the city and getting at some long-standing issues that everybody has said needs to be gotten at for the better part of at least a decade. This is critical.
But nothing to reduce the debt.
No, the debt. We still are in a bankruptcy. We're still going to have to go through that process, and we're still going to have to work our way through the debt. But this is aimed at neighborhood revitalization.
But do you think the bankruptcy